Greetings and wishes to Now Trend TV viewers. As COVID-19 rules the world and the unstable conditions being continued in many of the countries worldwide. However, there were some good news. Also, the rigid and much bad condition continues to happen. India, a country which gave out good news, ideas and preventatives for COVID-19, and also the country which successfully fought and managed the COVID pandemic in the starting days. But as the time passed, the situation has gone wrong. Come on, let's know about it. India has now entered into the top 10 for most affected cases for COVID-19. Also, it has entered into the top 5 places for active cases all over the world for COVID-19. Presently, it has 146k, that is 1,46,000 plus affected cases, with such of 78,000 plus active corona patients. The rate of corona is much less in the starting days, but it is now much bad than it. And many states and provinces in this country were much affected, and rate continue to get higher and higher every day, every hour. Let's know about it. Maharashtra, a state in India, continues for a long time to be the biggest spike in COVID-19 in that country. It has presently 50.2k, that is 50,200 plus cases, with 1.63k, that is 1,600 plus deaths. Also, it continues without improvement for a long time. Tamil Nadu, a state in India which too has much COVID affected cases in it. It has totally of 16,300 plus affected cases and 111 plus deaths. Also, it is arrested with 760 fresh cases today. But it has scope for improvement before some period of time. But now it continues to be much better and better. Gujarat, it has totally 14,100 plus cases and with 860 deaths affected by corona. The rate of corona is much higher there. Delhi, a special case for India, which is capital, has more than 13,600 cases itself, also with 265 death cases in it. It continues to be bad for a long period of time. Rajasthan, it has 7,000 plus cases with 165 deaths. Also, India has a huge rate of spread of COVID-19. These are all the top states and cities with higher corona count with higher number of deaths. This is the present latest information based on the new latest and official reports. But at the same time, when we see this with the COVID-19 data of March 2020, it's much differentiated and clearly shows that the rate of COVID spread is much different. Let's know about it. At March 23, the time of start of lockdown in India and some of the states, India has nearly totally 500 confirmed cases. At that time, the lockdown was announced in some of the states. Some states were even without one death cases and also with no confirmed cases in them. But later the outbreak came and the situation totally changed out. At present, India had much affected by novel coronavirus. Also, it is the country in top 5 with much less number of COVID tests in the people and for the population living in it. Even though there were some preventative medicines and methods found, it will be useful for them and also bring it to a stable condition. We hope that you know something useful and ready news through this video. To be always engaged like this, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.